Direct replacement. This engine coolant filler neck is designed to match the fit and function of the original neck on specified applications. Restores functionality. Reliable replacement for an original part that has cracked or failed due to heat, vibration or fatigue. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Garage tool. This engine coolant filler neck is designed to match the fit and function of the original neck on specified applications. Made of quality materials, it is engineered for reliable performance and durability. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the Garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy as slicing a pie. With a few tugs, and prying off the old, broken filler neck, I was able to replace it within 30 minutes tops. As hot as this weather is, I can't have my everyday vehicle sitting on the side of the road, wondering what happened and how much is it going to cost to fix it.